Dave Rockout here from Armageddon Turbo Systems, and today we're going to talk about our power cutouts and how to install them to your vehicle. So in this case, this set of power cutouts is actually going to end up on our Hellcat Killer project truck. And let's see what's inside the box when you get a set of power cutouts. So inside the box, we've got power cutouts themselves and an accessory box. In the accessory box, you've got your brake booster adapter kit with flying lead wiring harness and activation switch, vacuum reference line, T-bolts, and your actuation solenoid. So if you're not familiar with power cutouts, they're a unique take on how to do an exhaust cutout. Instead of using an electrically actuated motor, we're actually using vacuum power. That vacuum source comes from your engine and is stored in the brake booster, and we take advantage of that stored vacuum to run these actuators to make these valves open. Now what's cool about that is that they open instantly on demand, and then when you remove the vacuum source or turn the switch off, they immediately close back up. The benefits of this is you don't have to wait for your cutout to open or close. You can instantaneously open it and close it and increase the efficiency of the engine or go back to being quiet whenever you want. And we include all the little pieces that are necessary to mount the power cutouts to your flanges, but you may be wondering, I don't have a place in my exhaust to run a 3-bolt cutout flange. Well, if you have a GM 1500 series truck and you're running a Y-pipe, you can order our extension pipes. So these extension pipes are going on the Hellcat Killer truck. And what these do is go between the turbo kit connection here and the Y-pipe connection here, and then put a cutout before the Y-pipe right here. Now the rotating flange design allows these to be clocked into whatever position is necessary to maintain the ground clearance underneath the vehicle, and allows you to run the vacuum lines that power the vacuum actuators away from any heat sources. All these products are available on our website, goturbo.net. Like, follow, and subscribe on all the social medias for Armageddon, and stay tuned as we add the cutouts to our Hellcat Killer.